Hey guys, Adrian here from Redwater Dodge. Have you considered factory ordering a truck and you thought to yourself, what's the advantage and what's the disadvantage? Well, I'll briefly go over that with you. A lot of guys question me on these trucks that we have here. Hey, I see all these trucks, but it's missing an option here and there that I want. What can I do to get that? And sometimes it's not really available option out there for the dealer market. Why? Well, because usually when we order trucks for stock, we mainly go for what sells. You know, night edition's big and hot. Of course, certain options are too, and price point is the big thing too. Not a lot of guys like that $3,000 camera option to have surround view cameras, so not all the time do we order that, and you know what, you're the market, you understand that. Well, what's the advantage of ordering? Well, one, you can customize the truck however you like. You can add options and deselect options that we won't normally add. Say a dually like the one behind me here, if you want extra things in the box or plugins or this or extra interior gadgets that we normally wouldn't do, you can do to personalize the truck to you. And well, with that too, it does obviously mean the value is different too. So what the truck is worth to you is awesome because, well, you're paying for what you want and not extra or below than what you need or want. So there's always good things about that when it comes down to price point of view and also options on that too. Now the good thing is not every dealer but Ram does a price protection guarantee. What that means is if you order a truck today, that price is going to be the price at the moment. Now, if it comes down to 6 months, the truck shows up and the price is better with different programs, you get that program. However, if it comes in 6 months and the program's worse, you get the better price when you hit the order. So you're always going to get the best deal, no matter what changes. So again, with the tariffs and the crazy things going on in the world, you're going to be safe, and Ram has a protection plan with that to ensure you get the best deal possible. Now, question that I always get about that too is, hey, what are the disadvantages of ordering? There's a few. One, if you're looking to buy a truck tomorrow, well, it's not for you. The trucks do take some time. It could be anywhere from 3 months to 4 months to 5 months to 6 months. There could be delays with the factory. There can be issues with shipping and transport where there's delays, or there could even be potential damage to the vehicle when it shows up, which can prolong that as well. So if you're looking for a truck kind of today, tomorrow, and you're on a time crunch, factory ordering is probably not the way you want to go. You want to get what's on ground now. Another thing too is, well, dealers, including ourselves, we do a trade appraisal selected to 6 months or whichever. So it's subject to the market value of your trade. If you're trading a vehicle in and you say, well, I want 90 grand today, but in 6 months it's not worth that. Well, I can't give you that 90 grand because, well, one, we can't see in the future. We don't know what it's worth in 6 months. So if you're looking for the top dollar of your trade, it would be that time because it's always subject to once your truck shows up. Again, that's the disadvantage. But overall, I personally think it's sweet and awesome to order a truck, especially because you get the, well, more options. You can pick and choose what you like. You can choose the colors, all that stuff, but the window sticker even says your name. And before the truck is scheduled getting built, you can always make adjustments too. So if you're like, hey, I want to change something or color, we can get that done before the final build is started. But guys, that is quickly my little overview and input on factory ordering. Again, there's more advantages than disadvantages. But if you ever have any more questions or in-depth, questions, I'm here to help, man. My name is Adrian from Redwater Dodge. Give me a call, 780-942-3629.